Hey guys, it's Hannah here and welcome back to my channel, and it is about time for a plan with me. It's been way too long. I received a package from the kind Bonnie of Bolderbon, and as you can see, also you guys have received a coupon code, which I'm so thankful for both of us really, because Bonnie is so sweet and she sent me some of her new releases, I believe. So here's some like listening to audiobooks, podcasts. These are super cute. I love the pastel colors of these. Bolderbon, Bonnie, she always has such bright, happy colors. And there's even some fall sheets here I love. But she always, she incorporates even with fall theme, which usually is more muted, she also has the brights, which I don't know how she manages to make it look so pretty together, but she does, and I love it. And she also sent me 2 sheets of sticker kits. The first one here is called Thankful Heart. Here you can see very fall with the different leaves, and super cute, and look at that bright, such bright colors, and it's so Bonnie, and I think it's so cute. And here is the kit that I will actually be using today, which is called Pumpkin Dreams, and I love this one. And guys, you have no idea how perfect it came the week before we have Cinnamon Bun Day. Yes, it's an actual national holiday in Sweden, which is on Monday this starting week, and there's lots of cinnamon buns in this kit. Look, it's so perfect. So there is that kit, and now I am flipping in my fall setup, which has a separate video, or if it doesn't, then it will come shortly, but I will not go through the setup. This is last week, which I did, and now it's a blank canvas, and I'm ready to get playing with this beautiful and happy Bolderbon kit. Here we go! Alrighty, so I am flipping through to find the day covers, and I love that this kit comes with day covers, and it also comes with date dots, which I love. Very few kits that I own actually come with both, but it's so practical. And even the date dots that you don't end up using, you could always save for another kit. And I'm kind of running out of date dots in my sticker collection, and as you know, I'm not buying any new stickers, so receiving a beautiful gift and PR package like this one from Bonnie means so much to me these days, especially when she sends me like exactly what I need. And I don't have that many fall kits either, so I'm just so happy and excited about this. And these pastel fall vibes is right up my alley, and I love that I can even add pinks with this, because most fall kits I own, the pinks don't really match because there's lots of orangey, peachy, sometimes or even red colors, and I don't know, but this kit is like fall, but for me, with my colors in fall, which makes me super happy. I don't know if these, what I'm adding right now, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be used as headers, but it has super cute scallops and the bright rainbow colors, so I decided to use it as headers. Later on, you'll see that I have some trouble with them, but it looks super cute, I think. And then I pull in some more. These are some old glitter headers that I've had in my stack for a long time. Some of the first stickers probably I ever bought, and this shop is not even active anymore, so that's how old they are. And now I'm debating what full box to start with, and actually this time it's easy because it's Cinnamon Bun Day in Sweden on Monday the 4th of October, and of course I had to put everything cinnamon bun on Monday. All the cinnamon buns, so everything that has the cinnamon buns, I'm adding on Monday. So since I know that day is Cinnamon Bun Day, so that's the day I'm starting. Usually I don't go day by day and plan. I kind of do it more in sections, like all the headers, all the full boxes, all the check boxes. But now I'm starting with Monday. And I found this half box that even has cinnamon buns as a background. How perfect is that? Oh my gosh. So I'm putting that. And how perfect is it that Bonnie sent me cinnamon bun, like separate decorative stickers. So here I'm just trying to figure out, I want to add some sort of pumpkin spice latte next to it, because I'm going to have some fika, which is a Swedish term for having coffee and a treat. I need to have some fika with cinnamon buns on Monday, okay? And preferably a pumpkin spice latte. So here, this is I have some clear stickers that says Swedish holidays. This one says kanelbullens dag, which is cinnamon bun day in Swedish. So there we go. It's marked. It's announced. I'm excited. I'm gonna be baking cinnamon buns and it's gonna be good. I just know it is. And as you can see, I'm putting down some more glitter headers here. And yeah, I'm just really glad I happen to have these in my stack, or else I would be missing some headers. So here we go. I'm also adding a sticker for October. I like to add the month and the year at the top left corner, so that when I flip through, if I like a couple years from now, I can easily find a specific week. And now I'm flipping through to decide what other full boxes I will be using. I end up using almost all of them, but I need to figure out where to put which. And she has 2 sets of double boxes actually that I really wanted to use. So this is a beautiful set of like a living room with all the fall colors and really fancy. And you can see that rainbow on like the wall as a frame picture, which is really cool. And then I have the big version of the rainbow that I decided to add at the bottom of Friday and Sunday. So love that. I think double boxes are really fun, and I mean, I don't always get to use them, but in A5 there's lots of room to write the practical stuff. But then I decided to remove the header on Sunday to replace, because I felt it was a little too much rainbow. Believe it or not, it can be such a thing, at least in this case I thought so. And then I just added a couple more full boxes that I really wanted to have, and I decided to have them all throughout the middle section this time. And then I want to add all of the checklist full boxes at the top. All of the top boxes. I decided to plan it this way this time, but then I realized that I should have put those down first, because these headers that I decided to use, they're a little bit big, so they kind of overlap, which I actually like the look it gives. It almost looks like little shop windows, you know, or curtains, but because I had already added them, I needed to pull them up and then add the full box and then layer it. So I really should have just added the full boxes first. Sometimes you should be planning for your planning, which is very ironic, but you usually can just go back and do things over, and that's fine. And the good thing with these stickers is that they are not permanent. I mean, I don't think they're marked as removable, but they rarely ripped my paper when I pulled them up. As much as I had to pull them up, I'm actually surprised. So they're kind of forgivable in that way. I could kind of pull them up and redo things, which I'm really, really thankful for in this case. Okay, here we go. Last day of pulling. This is very tedious to be pulling, and I accidentally even ripped some stickers in the process. Whew, that's just sad when you rip stickers apart that you're using. But I think you can barely see, which, I mean, I hope not. So here we go. Now I'm deciding what to add on the very bottom boxes. So Tuesdays for me is always laundry day. So I have some other Bolderbon stickers here that I actually received in a PR pack last year. And they're gold foil and super cute. And I'm adding a box, a kind of mini checklist box, where I will be adding what loads of laundry I'll be doing. I'm doing that later. But then also on Tuesday is laundry day, and Thursdays is usually when I get and pick up my clothes because they are dry. So that is, I guess, folding laundry day. Yes, and she has a very convenient little sticker of clothes hanging. And I also have this mini sticker that says fold clothes. Looks a little tiny there, but I wanted to use what I had. So yeah. And then I'm going back on Monday. Once again, sadly, I did not plan very well my planning this time around. So I had to pull up and stuff. But I'm going to be paying some bills on Monday. I have Money Mondays, as I call it. So usually I go through money-related things on Mondays. And on Saturday, this is, yes. I usually do planning for the week ahead. So I'm just adding the little planner that was included in the kit. And it's planning time on Saturdays, which is always fun. And let's see, half box is, yes, I decided to add, I have a half box on each bottom box. Here, honestly, I'm just kind of adding some boxes to fill up the space because I wanted to have a finished spread to show you guys, but I don't know actually what to add in them. But so I'm not filling this out really. There is very little that I know is happening, but that's why I love having checklist full boxes, because I can just add the things as they come. And then I do have some extra boxes on the bottom of the days, which is nice as well. And here you can see I am adding the different loads of laundry I'm doing, which is not super fun, but I'm an adult now, so it's stuff I have to get done. And I'm glad I have a separate day kind of dedicated to that. And then I love these bottom strips of like washi stickers with, I mean, the colors are so cute. Or cute. I mean, I love the colors. They're warm and pastel and pinky and peachy and really pretty. And the illustrations is cute, what I meant to say. I mean, I'm really getting hungry for some cinnamon buns right now, even though it's not cinnamon bun day just yet. I will have to wait. But I'm getting impatient because these look so good and happy in this kit. I don't know if Bonnie illustrates her kits herself or if they are some sort of stock images. But whoever illustrated them, they did a good job, a real good job. And now I'm also adding a kind of the little tinier washi strip, or skinnier one. I want to add at the top, which is something I rarely do, but I saw that I had the space for it, so why not? But then once again, I was fast to put down the other stickers, so I had to remove the October and white out the little 2021 I added, so I'll have to redo that. And yeah, sometimes decorative planning is tedious, but it's also kind of like a puzzle. It feels really good when you're done, and it looks really pretty. Just getting all the pieces together sometimes can be frustrating, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm actually really glad when washi strips have two sizes like this and not just one giant fat washi strip, because this way you can be more creative and, you know, decide for yourself how you want it to go. And I love these little rainbows. They're super cute. And now I'm just really going through it to see if there's any more white spaces, which I saw on Sunday. This is really a no white space spread because I just used all the stickers as much as I could fit. I really wanted to pull in as much as I could. And I rarely do that, but since I've been wanting to use all the stickers these days, I want to use them up. So I'm going through some more here to see if there's any more that it's fit, but because I don't really know exactly yet how this week is gonna turn out, I'm deciding to just add some decorative little candles because I love the colors. They match this kit perfectly, and it's so cute to have little fall candles as stickers. I don't think I've had any decorative stickers like that, but they look so cute. I love the colors. And now I am putting the sheets back into my planner. I love how this turns out. Definitely gonna be one of my very, very favorite fall kits this year. I mean, it's so cute. And I love that there's all these bright colors. I feel like only Bonnie can make that happen. She did so good with this kit, guys, don't you think? I had so much fun just placing the stickers and using everything. I've been really into like using everything up, as you know, my kind of New Year's resolution once again this year. And that little rainbow is just so cute. And look how much I used. I mean, these days, seeing empty sticker paper like this makes me happy because it shows that I actually used it. So yeah, and these little add-ons were so cute with the kit too. Thank you once again, Bonnie. You're so sweet and amazing. And guys, don't forget my code Hannah15 for 15% off over on Bolderbon. I have a link in the description. You can buy this kit or any kit. But that is it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.